The Elephants and the Rats story. Once upon a time, there lived a large number of rats under a tree. One day, a herd of elephants came that way and destroyed the homes of the rats. The rats were scared. They ran to their king. The king of the rats requested the elephant king to ask his herd to follow another route. The elephant king agreed. The lives of the rats were saved. One day, a group of hunters came to the forest. They trapped the herd of elephants in their huge net. The Elephant King asked the king of the rats for help. The king of the rats said, "Do not be afraid. I will set your friends free." The king of the rats called all the rats for help. They cut open the nets with their sharp teeth. The elephants were set free. They thanked the rats. Moral: never underestimate people by their appearance. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe.